Well, I was done, but then I found this path over here, so I decided to come over here. I don't know what that is, but yeah, it's fucking beautiful over here. Fucking just wandered over here. Meditation into wandering. The bugs that just really do not want to stop bothering me, which is fine because I'm kind of used to it right now. The amount of bugs have been really been bothering me lately. I say the reason why is because I've been very gentle with them. I don't try to swat them away, and I don't try to kill them, you know. So they just been around me. Yeah, it's fucking beautiful. It's fucking crazy, dude. I fucking love this. It's weird I would say, oh, I'm one with the earth and shit. I mean, like, I've been one with the earth for a good amount of time, so it's like I'm not feeling a new energy, per se. Is that a house or something? It's like a trailer or something. I'm not going over there. It looks like death. But, yeah, no, I mean, like, that's where I came in from the path. It's, the way I have been lately, I'm not trying to do harm to anything. So even though I'm stepping in the grass, I'm hurting it, but it's bouncing back, hopefully, and I'm not stepping in insects and shit. I'm just trying not to do as much harm as I possibly can. Yeah, so I'm really enjoying myself today. Today was a very good adventure. I wish I could mount my phone up so you can see the craziness of the road. The road is crazy. I love it. But yeah, that's the real reason why I came here. Is because of the road. Oh, also I got to give out a shout out to David from work because he's the one who told me about this place. He told me about. I was like, yo, once I get my car, tell him. He's like, is there a good place to drive or whatever? He said, yeah, it's over here. And I never forgot about it. But I finally came over here. It's like 2-3 weeks later after I got my car. So yeah. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Thank you for being here with this journey. I'm going to be uploading a good amount of all this. Like I said before, I wasn't trying to upload so many, but I keep finding new nooks and crannies of everything. So these beautiful flowers. Yeah, this place is beautiful. There's the path I came through. So yeah, thank you everybody for joining me. I appreciate you. Thank you for joining AKA Etc. on my journey. I'm enjoying the shit out of my journey. I'm enjoying being in different places. Yeah, so I just want to do a slow 360. You see me? Set my finger.